Teams meeting etiquette and best practices.
On this month's Tips and Tricks by Planet Technologies. First things first, if you've been invited to a Teams meeting, be sure to RSVP. This will help the organizer know if they should reschedule because of a conflict. Next, check if there are any meeting details so you can prepare ahead of time if needed. When you're ready to join the meeting, use the pre-meeting control window to select your camera, any background filters you want to apply, and tweak your audio settings. This is also a great time to adjust lighting, minimize distractions, and open up any notes you want to have in front of you. One last step, make sure you join the meeting muted. If other folks are already talking, this is a polite way to enter the meeting without disrupting their conversation. Okay, we're in the meeting collaborating around documents, processes, and ideas. Unless you're actively engaged in conversation, try to stay muted and use the raise your hand feature if you have a question. If you're on video, be sure to stay focused on the speaker or content in front of you so you don't look uninterested or bored. If you get a phone call or have to step away, kindly add a note to the chat notifying others that you'll be right back. Instead of leaving the meeting, turn your video and microphone off and walk away from the device. Generally, we want to try to minimize distractions, display positive nonverbal body language, stick to the agenda, and be courteous of others' time. That's all the time we have. If you liked this short video, subscribe to our channel and visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.